Alright, welcome back everybody. I am announcing my entry into the eggplane build. I'm going to be doing the Blackbird, although it is not going to be a Blackbird. It's going to be a different color. Now, just before I started shooting here, I was all set. I was going to do it in white, because it's an egg. So I was going to make it egg white. What a great idea. And I've been planning that all day, and then I get out here and I'm looking at where it says Air Force, and I'm looking at the decals, and I'm realizing if the plane is white, that the white letters will disappear. So we can't do that. I think that we're going to be doing, I still want it to be like an egg, so I'm going to be doing like a brown egg. I'm actually going to be doing a khaki egg. So this is going to be the SR-71 Khakibird. So I'm making a Khakibird. And let's take a look at the kit. It is molded in black, which I'm already glad that I'm not going with white, because it would take about 10 coats to change from black to white. We're going to be going khaki, so I think it's going to be just a few coats, I hope. But look at that. These things, they really look like you could put an egg in there. That's the bottom of it. And there's not much to it. They just got these landing gear and these, well, there's a picture of it over here. It looks ridiculous. I wonder what the Air Force thinks of these. They have to have seen them by now. But wow, what an idea. I mean, I like it, and we all definitely, we're doing an eggplane group build. It's a great idea. I just wonder what the Air Force, any of you all pilots out there, what do you think about these? Okay, so there is the big main thing. Oh no, it's turned around the wrong way. But there is a decal for the instrument cluster right there. Yeah, really good decals on this one. You look there, let me try to get this nice and steady. Look at these tiny decals. I mean, that's like the head of a pin right there. Not the head of a pin. The head of a eraser. That'll be good. But I think that actually says something. I'm going to have to get that under the microscope. But wow, you talk about good register on the decals. I mean, these are tiny. Anyway, of course the decals are in great shape because the kit is new. And it shouldn't take too long to build it because there's not much to it. And of course I don't have the room or the time to build anything else right now. But I have time for this, and I have room for this because it's small. Anyway, it's going to be, I'm guessing it's going to be the first Khakibird. And it's a gloss paint, but I have, I don't know if you guys have discovered this yet. Way up there. Those things, that is called a magic sponge. You use them in the kitchen. Things that are stained, like a coffee mug or something, where you can't get it clean with a sponge, and you don't want to scour it, you use the magic eraser sponge. And you gotta wonder, how on earth is that working? Well, I've discovered it's because it is abrasive. It's just, a very, very fine, like 10,000 grit. So you can get that wet and rub it onto a gloss paint job, I think, and make it kind of a satin. And that's what I'm going to try to do. Paint it gloss khaki and then make it a satin, do a satin rub on it, and then put the decals on, and they should show up good khaki. And I'll have to try to find a picture of a khaki egg to prove that they exist. Anyway, that's going to be my my Khakibird project. There's like 10 parts. So I should be done in 8 months or less. I appreciate you watching, everybody, and stay tuned for updates. See ya. Wait a minute. What is this? What is that? Who is that? What is that? You know, I looked all the way through the instructions. I have no idea what this is. I mean, it's a little guy. I mean, I don't know who it is. And he is going to be holding a pair of binoculars. See this? He's not on the instructions, and he's certainly not that girl. Anybody? Any ideas what's going on here? I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. See ya.